This is a problem about the lengths of a rectangle. The width of a rectangle is 96 yards. Find all possible lengths such that the perimeter of the rectangle will be at least 540 yards. Well, we'll use the 5-step problem-solving process, so the first thing we'll do is to familiarize ourselves with the problem. Now, we are trying to find a set of lengths that will make the perimeter a certain number or more. And so let's just begin by letting L be the length of the rectangle. Let L be the length of the rectangle. And we're going to say in yards. The unit is yards. Now, we need a formula from geometry to do this. Remember that the perimeter of a rectangle with length L and width W is given by 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So for our rectangle, the perimeter is going to be 2 times L, which is the length, plus 2 times the width, and we're told that the width is 96 yards. So 2L plus 2 times 96, or 2L plus 192. Now we're going to use this to write an equation for this situation, and that's the second step in the process, to translate to an equation. And we're told that the perimeter is at least 540 yards. Now the perimeter, we just said, in this particular case, is 2L plus 192. We need to translate is at least, and that translates to is greater than or equal to. And 540 yards gives us 540 here. So we've translated not to an equation this time, but rather to an inequality, because we're looking for a whole set of values that the length can be. And now we go to the third step in the process, which is to solve this inequality. Remember, we're solving 2L plus 192 is greater than or equal to 540. The first thing that we'll do is to subtract 192 on both sides of this inequality, and we get 2L is greater than or equal to 348. 540 minus 192 is 348. And now we'll divide both sides by 2 to get L alone on the left. And we have L is greater than or equal to 174. Now, this is the solution of the inequality, and the next thing that we need to do is to check to see if this is a solution of the original problem. We can't check every possible solution here because there are an infinite number of them, but we can just do a check to see if the answer that we have seems reasonable. So let's just consider when L is 174, then the perimeter is 2 times 174 plus 192. It's 2L plus 192, and that is equal to 540 yards. And we're saying that all values greater than or equal to 174 will work in this situation. We've seen when L is 174, we get a perimeter of exactly 540 yards. So let's just try a value larger than L and see if we get a perimeter larger than 540. And let's just go up 1 yard. When L is 175, the perimeter is 2 times 175 plus 192, which is 542 yards. And this is greater than 540. So having done these two computations, we can say that the answer that we got does seem reasonable. And that allows us then to move on to the last step in the problem-solving process, which is to state the solution. And we say for lengths that are at least 174 yards, the perimeter will be at least 540 yards. And we can also express this solution set as the set of all L, such that L is greater than or equal to 174 yards.